Arrived here at the Undara lava tubes, and the thing is the weather is sunny, but it's a bit cold. Of course it's winter, but yeah, my body's confused now. Like I'm wearing sleeveless, but it's really cold and I don't understand what's happening. It's been a 4-hour drive from Cobble Gorge, and yeah, the weather's good compared to Melbourne, of course. And yeah, we're gonna enter the lava tubes there. I think there's a entry fee, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
By the time Jerry became the head of the family, the cattle industry wasn't doing all that well. Some rocks. You've got to go and squeeze your body in and manoeuvre your way down a chute. When you get to the ground, it opens up, but the air quality is very poor. You basically got to put an oxygen mask on. So we're not going there, eh? That's the 1 o'clock too. We'll go this way instead. Lava flowing. See, what that roof was doing was actually trapping the heat in. It was insulating it. And so the molten lava underneath kept flowing. Strong. So as it all dried out, it cracked up and fell in. Under there, though, it remained solid. And it's been there for 190,000 years. One day it might all crack up and fall down. Hopefully not today, anyway. That goes all the way down the wall there. That's because these have been different flows of lava over time. See that big one up the top there? Here. Well, you can see how we've got the two walls coming around on either side. But where I'm shining my torch now is not the wall of the cave. This is actually the roof of the cave. See, the roof is arced down like that because when the lava got to this point, it came to a drop, a bit of a waterfall, and it's dropped over that waterfall and continued on a bit further downstream. Then over the 190,000 years, all the sediments built up and it's blocked where the lava was flowing. Terrestrial, it was always foaming home. There it is, E.T. So I'm going to shine on a couple of animals. See if you can see these animals. Kangaroo. Mm-hmm. So this is just one of the undara lava tubes. So massive, so nice. You can see all the place there.
Yung walk to the lakatlang, mas narrow siguro na.
Mas narrow niya, mas kanang off the beaten path.
Oh, so wala hindi mo masigaw man.
Yeah. So how's the trip so far? Again, so how's the trip so far?
Relax.
Yeah, relaxing. It's so good. You can see it clearly. We arrived here right on time as soon as the tour was heading off. And yeah.
Timing is impeccable.
Yep. After driving 4 hours, we got here in time. Hey, look at that.
This is one of our widest caves. It's about 25 metres wide across here. It's one of our highest caves too, about 19 metres high.
Yeah, it's a Charles Preston.
At the end of the lava flow, when the last bit of lava was draining out, There was a big rock collapse up behind there, and that bit of rock there has slipped down and it's plugged up.
So yeah, this is one of those undara lava tubes. I'm heading out in the sun right now. Sorry guys. It's alright. All good. Yeah, so I'm heading out now. We're in a tour group. Yep. So coming up, going out in the sun now. Look at the whole cave of a tube. So yeah, we just came out from the undara lava tubes, and it's awesome. The art is very good. If you ever come by this area, Savannah Highway, check it out. It's really good. Tour guide was great also, and yeah, it's good. Recommended.
I guess ganun tours mahapit sa art. Mas lihat na lang.
Yeah, everything's there. Anyway, heading to the bus now, and we're off to the next destination in a few, after eating maybe. Some lunch here at Undara. Check it out.
Very messy. Takot yung tangkad.
Crush niya yung tangkad.
Naku, anong tingog.
Naku, anong tingog. Ako, taas tangkad masag ko. Anyway, done with the Undara lava tubes, and we'll be heading off to the next destination, and we'll try to get Wi-Fi because we don't have internet, we don't have information. I guess we just got so dependent on Wi-Fi that we can't go anywhere without it. This is not good. We should learn more about maps. No, fuck it. Anyway, we're heading to the car now, and the sun's underneath the car. Where the fuck is the car? Oh, there it is. It should be around there. Yep. So, next place later. Windmills! Wind farm! Whee! Wonderful parents. We're heading to Arley Beach for Whitsunday. We're gonna miss Townsville, and it's gonna be around 7 hours of drive. But yeah, I'm gonna miss all the mangoes that I can see, and all the sugar canes and the papayas and all. I don't know if you can see it on the way there to Arley Beach. But bottom line is everything's good, everything's fine. Oh yeah.